All right, guys, so basically here we have a TTR125 that's just not shifting right. It will shift gears, but not all the time. It gets caught up, won't shift down sometimes it won't shift up. Basically, there's just some kind of issues with the shifting. First thing we check is the linkage right here, make sure everything's adjusted right. Make sure this is tight on the shift shaft, this clamp. We verified all that was good, went through that first. So then the next thing we check is the shift mechanism. So a little more involved to pull off this clutch cover than a standard motocross bike. But firstly, you have to take off the Kickstarter. That's a 17 millimeter bolt. You might have to use an impact. It's on there pretty good. You also need to take off the rear brake pedal and then the starter, which can be a pain. Wiggle it a lot. It'll eventually come out of there. And then you got all these bolts. The two long ones are in the top. Take those off and the cover will come off. You can see your shift mechanism is right there. Now I will show you, I can just look up in there right now and see that it is broke. And when I pull it out in a minute, I'll show you why it's broke, where it's broke. The only thing that concerns me so far on this is I don't see the broken piece yet. Or maybe I will once I get some more off, but I've heard of guys sliding these out without taking the basket off. I'm just going to take the basket off anyway to make it easier, and then I'll pull that out from the other side, and we'll see what we're working with. All right, guys, so our problem here was with this shift mechanism. Basically, if the camera will focus, never wants to focus. Basically, this tab right here, there's just supposed to be more to it. It bends over inside of here and holds this in place, basically. This should not be able to twist around like this. So, I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's snapped off right there. So, I haven't found the piece inside the motor yet. I'm going to go check the drained oil and see if maybe it drained out with the used oil. And we want to make sure we can locate that piece before we start putting stuff together. Good news is that shift shaft's only about 25 bucks from Yamaha. So get that thing ordered, get a new clutch cover gasket, and we'll slap this thing back together. Thanks for watching.